Welcome to my Note 9 long-term review. I'm using the Note 9 since I unboxed this amazing device. I'm using this device as my daily driver, as I spend a lot of time with this device, so I can easily tell you should you buy this smartphone in 2019 or not. So, starting with the design and the display. There are bezels above and below the screen. The Note 9 have larger and thicker chassis than the S9 Plus. Well, again, thicker chassis of the Note 9, it makes it easier to hold the device. The nearly bezel-less infinity display, which is bright and punchy, and confirmed to be 27% brighter and with 32% more contrast ratio than the Note 8. Even if the tall 18:9 aspect ratio, or in this case 18.5:9, is on just about every flagship phone in 2018, Samsung curved edges are unmatched. The size of the Note 9 has changed from the Note 8, but maybe not. How you think it's slightly wider and slightly shorter than the Note 8. With the dimensions of 61.9 by 76.4 by 8.8mm. The Note 8 was 162.5 by 74.8 by 8.6mm. The Note 9 is IP68 waterproof and dustproof. Resistance rating stays the same whether or not the S Pen is embedded. New to the Note 9 over the Note 8 are stereo speakers, just like on the S9 and the S9 Plus. The Note 9 specs also include a chip which is the upgrade over the last year's Note 8. In some countries, there is Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset, and in some countries, there is Exynos 9810 chipset. I played almost all games, including the Fortnite, without any kind of lag. Geekbench software gave us a multi-core score of 8875. Samsung does not have the fastest chip, and its rivals are catching up, but it's plenty fast, and keep in mind that we're using the 6GB RAM variant. There may be a bit more to the 8GB version. I noticed with my previous Samsung devices that we don't get the peak performance after using for several months, but when we talk about the premium and flagship devices, everyone wants a device that never give up on you. Well, the Note 9 provides top level performance. The Note 9 provides the same performance as when I unboxed the device. I play heavy games for hours and using social media apps for a long time, and after all these things, I didn't feel that the Note 9 is providing any kind of lag. There are many apps running in the background, and while watching movies, I connect my wireless Bluetooth earphones. I didn't find any kind of problem in day-to-day use, and that's what I liked about the Note 9. Samsung has definitely improved the basic foundation to ensure a premium experience. The Note 9 comes with impressive 4000 mAh of battery. This is the company's first smartphone to come with such large battery capacity. Well, the Note 10 has been released. The Note 10 has bigger battery as compared to the Note 9. Battery life is touted as all day, but that's for Note Power users. After several days of testing, we actually saw more than a day of battery life with moderate use. This is good news because while the Note 8 battery life started out as all day with a bit of conservative use, the battery health naturally depleted over time. The 4000 mAh capacity gave us more buffer room between nightly charges, and we didn't have to employ Samsung's smart battery saving tricks to get through the day. Overall, the battery life is perfect. Samsung is carrying its camera prowess from the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus to the Note 9 with low light defeating and telephoto. Zooming camera lenses on the back. This is one of the best camera phones. The S9 Plus gives you an idea of the photo quality you can expect from the Note 9. Though Samsung has tweaked its software to improve on that quality, it automatically makes small but meaningful differences to the white balance of images by recognizing what you are shooting. The dual 12MP rear camera uses variable aperture technology to switch between an f1.5 aperture for low light photography and an f2.4 aperture for normal lighting conditions. The secondary rear camera allows for a 2x optical zoom, giving you sharp telephoto snapshots for when you are standing too far away. The aperture here is always set at f2.4, and likely the main lens, it has optical image stabilization to make up for your shaky hand. Noise-filled nighttime shots on the telephoto lens. Everything else outside of low light remains crisp. The Note 9's front-facing camera does selfies at 8MP and includes autofocus, a first for a Note phone. There are AR stickers, wide group selfies, and super slow motion video at 960 frames per second at 720p resolution. It's one of the most robust camera apps in the business, yet easy to use. The camera understands what it's looking at more accurately than AI camera in the LG G7, and it uses the same technology to help you correct flaws including eye blinking, image blurring, lens smudges, and backlight. The Samsung Experience software is well refined in 2018 with helpful cues on how to navigate a deep and complex operating system. It's much better than the bloated Samsung Touch with firmware on its old Android phones. The Bixby AI assistant is here, and so is Google Assistant. Google's AI is smarter and understands us better. Bixby is completely useless. The Note 9's fingerprint is placed on the perfect place, as there are many problems with the Note 8's fingerprint scanner. The Galaxy Note 9 continues to be one of the best phones in the world. The amazing AMOLED display, gorgeous looking golden color S Pen, the 4000 mAh battery lasts all day long, and a blessing of 3.5mm of headphone jack. Its amazing dual rear cameras. All these features tell you that the Note 9 is great. The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 is the best smartphone that money can buy. Now the Note 10 has been released. You can also watch my Note 8 versus Note 9 versus the Note 10 comparison by clicking on the iCard button. The Note 10 is the expensive device. If you are in budget, you should buy the Note 9 as the Note 9 price are dropped to $400 to $500. Thank you so much for watching, guys. My name is Hamza. This is Advanced Unboxer, and I'll catch you in the next one.